Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 5 trends in AI with project ideas. Choosing the best AI projects for your portfolio in 2024 depends on your skill level, interests, and career goals. Here are top 5 trends in AI with project ideas for different difficulty levels. The first category is responsible AI and explainability. In this category, you can build a bias detection tool for text data, analyzing data sets for harmful stereotypes. You can also develop an interactive web-based interface to explain how an AI model makes decisions, example, loan type approvals, and also research and propose methods for mitigating algorithmic bias in facial recognition technology. So algorithmic bias is one of the issues in AI in 2024, and you can build one of the three ideas I mentioned here. The second category is generative AI for creative applications. In this category, you can train a text to image model on artistic styles, allowing users to generate unique artwork from text prompts. Because generative AI is the hot trend in 2024, and you can just train a text to image model on artistic styles, and you can also create a music composition tool that uses AI to generate original melodies and arrangements based on user preferences, and also develop a personalized AI writing assistant that can adapt its style and tone to different genres and audiences. These are the most hot project ideas in generative AI for creative applications. The third trend is AI for environmental sustainability, and you can build or design an AI-powered app that helps individuals to track their carbon footprint and suggests ways to reduce it, and build a model to predict deforestation based on satellite imagery, aiding conservation efforts, and also develop an AI system for optimizing energy consumption in smart grids, contributing to renewable energy integration. The fourth one is AI for healthcare and well-being. I am personally interested to work in AI for healthcare, and I try to mention very useful project ideas in this category. The first one is create a chatbot that provides mental health support, offering resources and coping mechanisms. And you can train a model to analyze medical images for early disease detection, assisting healthcare professionals, and develop an AI-powered personalized health coach that tracks vital signs, suggests lifestyle changes, and predicts potential health risks. The last one is Edge AI and decentralized intelligence. This is also the hot trend is in 2024. In this category, you can implement an AI model on a Raspberry Pi for object recognition, building a smart home appliance, and research and compare different blockchain platforms for secure and transparent AI governance in decentralized applications. You can also build a federated learning framework for on-device machine learning, which allowing data insights to be shared without privacy concerns. So those are the 5 trends of AI with project ideas. You can choose the projects from this I mentioned, and you can build your portfolio in 2024, and you can be AI developer. But remember to consider your own skill sets and available resources when choosing a project. Don't hesitate to combine the trends or come up with your own unique idea. The most important thing is to showcase your passion for AI and your ability to solve real-world problems with these powerful technologies. Ask questions, if any, in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.